Hey there, creative enthusiasts. If you're like me, always on the lookout for amazing tools to boost your creativity without the hassle of signing up or paying, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of free AI image generators that don't require sign up. These tools are perfect for marketers, content creators, and anyone who loves to experiment with visuals. As a non-technical user, you might not be a professional designer or an advanced user. Sometimes you just need to produce one or two images to test the water across many platforms without any strings attached. The frustration of needing to sign up for a service only to end up getting bombarded with spammy marketing emails is something we can all relate to. These free AI image generators offer a refreshing alternative, allowing you to explore and create without the hassle of providing your email or dealing with unwanted messages. To give these tools a fair test, I've come up with a fun and versatile prompt. Test prompt: a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and neon lights. This prompt is broad enough to test the creative and technical capabilities of each AI tool. Now, let's explore some of the best free AI image generators that don't need you to sign up by the end of 2024. Tool number 1, Craiyon, formerly known as DALL-E Mini. Craiyon is a popular tool that provides access to AI-generated images based on textual prompts. It's easy to use and doesn't require any sign-up. Test result: prompt execution. Craiyon generates a series of images based on the futuristic cityscape prompt. The results are varied and creative, showcasing neon lights, flying cars, and a vibrant sunset. Pros: no sign-up required, simple interface, generates multiple images per prompt. Cons: image quality can vary, interface cluttered with ads, limited customization options. Tool number 2, Deep Dream Generator. Deep Dream Generator uses deep learning to create dreamlike, surreal images. It's great for generating unique and artistic visuals without the need for an account. Test result: prompt execution. The tool transforms the futuristic cityscape into a surreal, neon-lit dreamscape. The flying cars and sunset are depicted with a psychedelic twist. Pros: no sign-up needed, produces highly artistic images, various styles available. Cons: not always suitable for realistic images, can be slow to process. Tool number 3, NeuralBlender. NeuralBlender generates images from text using advanced neural networks. It's straightforward and doesn't require any sign-up. Test result: prompt execution. The futuristic cityscape is rendered with impressive detail. Neon lights and flying cars are creatively integrated into the sunset background. Pros: no sign-up necessary, produces detailed images, user-friendly interface. Cons: processing time can be long, limited style options. Tool number 4, Artbreeder. Artbreeder allows you to create and evolve images using AI. You can mix different images together to create something entirely new. Test result: prompt execution. Artbreeder blends the futuristic elements with neon lights beautifully. The results include dynamic cityscapes with a touch of sci-fi aesthetics. Pros: no sign-up required for basic features, unique image blending capabilities, high-quality outputs. Cons: limited features without an account, takes time to master blending techniques. What I love about it, the images generated by Artbreeder are among my favorites. The tool's ability to blend elements so seamlessly results in stunning and unique visuals every time. Tool number 5, MagicStudio. MagicStudio creates AI-generated artwork based on your prompts. It's a web-based tool that doesn't require sign-up for basic use. Test result: prompt execution. The tool creates a vibrant, neon-filled cityscape with flying cars set against a stunning sunset. The colors are rich and the details are impressive. Pros: no sign-up needed for basic use, quick and easy to use. Cons: limited advanced features without sign-up. Image styles are somewhat fixed. What I love about it, MagicStudio's clean user interface makes it a pleasure to use. The straightforward design ensures that I can focus on creativity without any distractions. Number 6, Perchance. Perchance offers a simple and straightforward AI image generator that produces results based on your text prompts. No sign-up is required, and it's easy to use. Test result: prompt execution. The AI generates various interpretations of the futuristic cityscape, capturing the essence of neon lights and flying cars at sunset. Pros: no sign-up required. Simple interface. Quick results. Cons: limited customization options. Image quality can be basic. Number 7. TinyWow. TinyWow is a versatile tool that not only generates AI images, but also offers various document and image processing features. The AI image generator does not require sign-up. Test result: prompt execution. The generated images showcase a futuristic cityscape with vibrant neon lights and flying cars, capturing the prompt well. Pros: no sign-up required. Multiple image processing tools available. Quick and easy to use. Cons: pop-up ads can be distracting. Slow image generation time. Lack of details in images. Tool number 8. Dezgo. Dezgo offers an AI image generator that is simple to use and requires no sign-up. It focuses on producing high-quality images from text prompts. Test result: prompt execution. The tool renders a detailed and vibrant cityscape with neon lights and flying cars, adhering well to the prompt. Pros: no sign-up required. High-quality image generation. User-friendly interface. Cons: limited free usage. Ads can be slightly distracting. Tool number 9. IMGGEN. IMGGEN is a powerful AI image generator that allows users to create stunning visuals from text prompts without the need for an account. Test result: prompt execution. The generated images are detailed, capturing the essence of a futuristic cityscape with neon lights and flying cars at sunset. Pros: no sign-up required. High-quality outputs. Fast generation times. Cons: limited customization options. Slightly cluttered with ads. Tool number 10. Problembo. Problembo is an AI-powered image generator that produces high-quality visuals based on text prompts. It's free to use without signing up. Test result: prompt execution. The generated images are vibrant and detailed, effectively showcasing the futuristic cityscape with flying cars and neon lights. Pros: no sign-up required. High-quality images. Quick and easy to use. Cons: only one use allowed for unregistered users. Slow processing time. Lastly, Hotpot AI Image Generator. Hotpot AI provides an intuitive AI image generator that allows you to create stunning visuals from text prompts. It's easy to use and doesn't require any sign-up for basic features. Test result: prompt execution. The generated images are visually appealing, capturing the futuristic cityscape with neon lights and flying cars effectively. Pros: no sign-up required. User-friendly interface. High-quality image generation. Cons: limited advanced features without sign-up. Ads can be slightly distracting. Please note that if you search for these tools by name, you may come across advertised links that require sign-up. To avoid this, I recommend using the no sign-up links provided in the description below, which will take you directly to the pages where no sign-up is needed. No worries, this isn't an affiliate marketing link, just me sharing my personal discovery with you all, with no affiliation involved. Okay, here's my conclusion. Testing these free AI image generators with the prompt, "a futuristic cityscape at sunset with flying cars and neon lights," has been a fascinating experience. Each tool brings its own unique strengths and creative interpretations to the table. Whether you're looking for surreal art or realistic depictions, there's a tool here that can meet your needs without requiring you to sign up. Remember, the world of AI creativity is vast and full of potential. Don't miss out on the chance to explore and experiment with these incredible tools before the end of 2024. With no sign-up required and completely free access, there's no reason to hold back. Dive in today. You might just discover the perfect tool to bring your creative ideas to life. You can find the website links for each tool in the description below. If you'd like to discover more life-changing AI tools, make sure to like and subscribe.